grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Hey guys, it's Miss Malukas with your morning announcements on this wonderful Wednesday, December the 9th.
So take the photographs and still frames
Today's an A day.
in your mind. Hanging on a shelf in good health and good time.
A little Green Day.
Tattoos and memories and asking on trial.
Such a good song.
For what it's worth, it was worth all the while.
Alright,
It's something unpredictable.
please get ready to join me
The end
for the
is
pledges of
right.
allegiance.
I hope you had the time of your life.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing or simply silent and respectful for an additional moment of silence. Awesome. Semester exam pickup. It's not happening today or tomorrow. Semester exam pickup for next week is Friday and will occur from 10:30 to 12:30 for the following exams: 9th grade geometry, 10th grade algebra 2 and chemistry, 11th grade pre-cal, and Spanish 2. If you have questions about picking up a paper copy of your exam, please reach out to me or your teacher and we can help you. I realized that yesterday I didn't give you the semester exam schedule, which may have been frustrating, and I apologize. Please pause for more info on what exams are happening when. Again, your teachers, they know this stuff. I know they've been sharing it with you. Please reach out to them with questions. But here it is, in case it's helpful, to have in one spot. Here's a reminder about incentives for exams. Super exciting. And on to the birthdays. Happiest of happy birthdays to Xavier Garcia in 6th grade. This is the only birthday that showed up in the system. If I missed you, I'm sorry. Please send me a message on Teams. But happy birthday, Xavier Garcia in 6th grade. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. Tuesday's a great day to have a birthday. Hope you've had a great start to your week. Sorry, today is Wednesday. Wednesday is a great day to have a birthday. I hope you're having a great middle of your week, and I hope you continue to have a great week. So many people have a birthday today. It's a really big world. You share a birthday with Trey Cool from Green Day. He inspired the song this morning. You also share a birthday with Imogen Heap, who is a great musician that I really enjoy. You can look up some of her stuff if you'd like. Hide and Seek is a really good one. And then actor David Anthony Higgins also has a birthday on December the 9th. I know him from Malcolm in the Middle. He's probably done other stuff, but that's where I know him from. So happy birthday. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. Regardless, I hope you're having a phenomenal Wednesday, not Tuesday. But I hope you had a great Tuesday too. On to this day in history. December 9th, 1872, P.B.S. Pinchback was the first black governor. He said, "I demand simple justice. I am not here as a beggar. I do not care so far as I am personally concerned whether you give me a seat or not. I will go back to my people and come here again." On December 9th, 1872, P.B.S. Pinchback of Louisiana assumed the impeached governor's office, becoming the first black governor in the United States. He served the remaining month of his predecessor's term. Pinchback was elected to Congress in 1873. However, his opponent, William Pitt Kellogg, contested the election and won the seat. This reversal was due to the KKK's terrorism of black voters, as well as corruption on the part of white politicians. A year later, Pinchback won a seat in the U.S. Senate, only to have it denied him as the result of racially motivated actions that reflected tensions prevalent throughout Louisiana. Here's the schedule. It is different if you are taking an exam. Again, talk to your teachers, rewind and check out the schedule for semester exams. ID is a great place to go to school. Tell your friends. Attendance, it's still important. Remember, this is not something that's an Idea Montopolis thing or even an idea thing. This is a state of Texas thing. If you're hearing my voice right now, you're probably going to class. But we all know someone, myself included, who is struggling with attendance. Take a second, send them a text message, send them a message on Teams if you don't have their number. Encourage them to choose today to attend classes. Masks, they're not just for fashion statements. Please wear it correctly. Make sure it covers your mouth and your nose. This isn't just something you should be doing at school, but anytime you're out in the community. Questions? Here's the number. Facebook, we have one. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. I'm so proud of you guys. Testing is hard. It's hard for you. It's hard for your teachers. It's important, and it will end. Please do your best. Finish strong so that you can be proud of it. Be proud of your work, and know that we love you no matter what. Miss you guys. I look forward to seeing you, whether it's in person or online, or responding to an annoying Teams message to log on. Have fun with Move This World, and do your best on your exams. What is it? Today's Wednesday. We've got 5 days next week, 2 days this week, 7 more school days before a much-deserved break. Have a phenomenal day. See you or hear from you soon. I love you guys. Bye.